Out here at my house, and we got a storm. Actually, live at me and Wendy's house, and we got a storm that's barreling and marching high winds, 55, 60 mile an hour. It's just crazy. Look at the trees and look at the antenna over there going. This is wicked. Dude, this is crazy. Look at this. Trying to hold onto my door here. We got about 60 mile an hour winds, close to 70. Whoa, we just had a sign that ripped out of the ground. It's going right by the shed. It just ripped out of the ground. Nuts. It's gusting up to 60 mile an hour. I repeat, over 60 mile an hour. This is just one crazy high wind storm we're having. It's from leftover Draco. This is June 25th, 2013. And this is some wicked weather. I'm holding on to my door for my life. If not, my screen door break off. It's strong. Here comes the rain. Hello, everybody. For me, this is Sean Miller and my fiance Wendy closing the door. Say bye-bye, honey.
See ya.
Wendy, you can hold on to that door while we're not done yet. We're going to continue. I'm going to help you hold on to it because this is strong. We're staying inside because there's some big-time hardcore rain coming. From what was left over from Draco has finally arrived here in Martinsburg, PA.
Holy hell.
The rain's getting ready to come. Hang on to that door, Wendy. It's my fiance, Wendy.
Woo!
You see, she's trying to hold on to the door here, and I'm trying to help her, as you can see. Man, that was some crazy winds we had. 65, close to 70 mile an hour. We just had you can just look across the road there, Wendy, hold on to the door. As you can see, there's a sign across the street from me blowing around. That one's about to come out of the ground.
Holy shit, I'm going in.
I'm going back out. Going back out. This is neat. This is neat. I'm not. Just look how dark it is outside. Just look at the impact of the clouds. Looks like it's a funnel cloud. If it is, I'll throw a party. Woo! Nah, not. Run for cover, y'all. You can see that sign's about to come out. Oh, the rain's about to hit. I'm sure there's more winds picking back up. For me, this is Sean Miller reporting again. And that's all. Thank you for watching this pretty cool video, y'all.